Hello everyone, for this tutorial I'd like to talk about phase changes, which is when a state of matter changes from one form to another. In particular, since we discussed how gases work in the last tutorial video, we should study phase changes of them first to get adjusted to how phase changes work in general. For high enough temperatures, a gas will follow the ideal gas law and behave exactly like a normal gas should, but at lower temperatures, it will change phase from gas to liquid, and this is formally called condensation. And the reason why it turns into a liquid is because it gets so cold that the molecules get so close together that it changes into a more fixed state instead of the particles moving freely about. And when it's cold even less than that, the liquid freezes, which you already know about when water turns to ice. But even though the volume decreases when it turns from gas to liquid and to solid, the volume is never exactly equal to zero because all of the molecules still have at least a finite volume. So no matter how tightly packed they are, you can never logically have a zero volume. It is just not physically possible. We see by similar logic, if the pressure is high enough, it will also change phase, because the molecules are more pressed together by the physical definition of what pressure is. Although phase changes from pressure may seem more bizarre and less understandable than phase changes from temperature as we are normally used to them. Now that we have explained how matter changes phases in response to different temperatures and pressures, we can move on from general temperature concepts and toward the study of how heat transfers between different objects, starting with a basic definition of what heat transfer is, and then giving more concrete explanations of the different methods such as conduction, circulation, and radiation, where circulation is also known as convection. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see the other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.